Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for May 28th of 2025 is titled Herbig-Haro 24. So what do we see here? Well, this is an example of a Herbig-Haro object, and these are very young stars that are still just finishing up the process of formation. And what they do as they reach that stage is that they start to send out jets of material. And those jets of material will go out perpendicular to the disk which is forming around the star. Now that disk could eventually form a planetary system. But the jets of material are from this early unstable era of the star's life, and they are expelled out at very high speeds. And we can see those going up here, up toward the top of the image, and then down toward the bottom, towards the lower left side of the image. Now, what happens is as the material goes into the disk, then the only way material can escape, it can't go back through the disk because there's too much other material there, dust and gas and grains of material that will not allow it to go back outwards that way. So it is focused into beams going out at the polar regions where there is far less material. And that's what we're seeing from this protostar. So a star in the process of formation, not yet having gotten to the stage where it can convert hydrogen into helium. And that is the sort of the key thing that we need. That is the condition that we need in order for something to become a star. A star is what is undergoing a nuclear fusion in its core. So our sun is fusing hydrogen into helium. Other stars, as more massive, as they go through their lives, can fuse even heavier elements, helium and carbon. And that is really the stage of being a star. Here we see the star just in the process getting to that stage, but a little bit before it's actually gotten there. Now, these were cataloged by a couple of astronomers who studied them, and they are named after them, and this was object number 24 in their catalog. It's over 1,000 light years away in part of the Orion Molecular Cloud Complex. But the star itself is actually invisible. We don't see the star here. The star is actually hidden in the central region there by all of the dust. That dust blocks out the light and keeps us from being able to see the star directly. However, the jets of material will come out, and we can see those, and we especially see them when they crash into material in the interstellar medium. That is the next key thing that will happen. They will crash into material there, and they will glow. And those glowing globs are what we actually call the Herbig-Haro object. It's not the star itself. It's the result of the material going out in these jets that crashes into material farther away from the star. The star itself at this stage is completely invisible to us. So that was our picture of the day for May 28th of 2025. It was titled Herbig-Haro 24. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Mars in 3D. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.